How to access professional dashboard on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily access the professional dashboard on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that you'll be prompted to the menu section. From there, simply tap on your profile name, and once you are in your profile, simply tap on the three dot icon beside the edit profile button, and from the pop-up menu you can see the option labeled turn on professional mode, so simply tap on that. Now go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts and turn on the professional mode. And once the professional mode is activated, return to your profile, and now you will see a dashboard option. So simply tap on it, and inside the dashboard you can explore various features including account reach, performance insight, monetization options, and other tools to help manage your professional account. And that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.